The Triassic Period, 205 million years ago to 245 million years ago. The Triassic period of the Earth's history was a very exciting period of time in Earth's history. This was a period of destruction, desolation, and growth. It is believed that the Earth had been subjected to violent volcanic eruptions, climate change, and possibly even an asteroid impact, which decimated 95% of all life on the planet. The Age of Reptiles. Throughout all this, Earth survived and continued to evolve in spite of different fluctuations in the composition of the atmosphere, which is believed to have been caused by the massive extinction of the Permian period. Climate change changed the course of the planet and produced the evolution of rodent mammals and the first dinosaurs. The Triassic land. The Earth's continents moved to form one single supercontinent called Pangaea. Pangaea was divided into two parts, Laurasia and Gondwanaland. Triassic animal life. What were the primary animals of the Triassic period? Coiled shelled ammonites, mollusks, sea urchins, first corals, and an ancient dolphin called an ichthyosaurus. During the Triassic period, plant life was recovering from the Permian period massive extinction. The most common plants were cycads and Glossopteris. These were the only plants that were able to survive in the hot weather, which was caused by Pangaea being such a large landmass away from the ocean. At the beginning of the Triassic period, the carbon dioxide levels were 578 parts per million, but by the end of the Triassic period, the parts per million had increased to 1,349. The Triassic period also saw changes in the oxygen levels. At the beginning of the Triassic period, the oxygen level was 26.2%, but by the end, it had decreased to 20.6%. Evidence suggests that asteroid impacts and volcanism were the cause of increased temperatures and greenhouse gases, producing a stronger greenhouse effect, which led to another massive extinction at the end of the Triassic period. How is animal life impacted by oxygen and carbon dioxide levels? I will provide this ichthyosaurus, an ancient dolphin, as an example. Although many scientists differ in opinions, most agree a likely scenario. During the Triassic period, huge amounts of lava, gas, carbon dioxide, sulfur, and methane were released into the atmosphere. This created intense global warming and acidification of the ocean. This killed off thousands of plant and animal species. Did the oxygen and greenhouse gas levels of the Triassic period have an effect on animal and plant life? Clearly it did, as is evidenced by the massive extinctions following many of the periods. Today, some scientists believe that if we continue with our current increase of greenhouse gases, we will again see Triassic period climate conditions.
Created using Powtoon.